This is an instructional video on how to assemble supremely stainless black epoxy shelving unit. Step 1. Unpack all items out of the box. Inside the box you will find 4 black epoxy shelves, a bag of plastic locking clips, paper instructions, and 4 sets of poles. Step 2. Screw the poles together. Step 3. Clip your plastic locking clips into place on each pole. Here's a close-up of the clipping process. Make sure you clip onto the double-lined guide with the arrow pointing up. Step 4. Slide the shelf over the pole all the way down to the clips. Repeat the same steps for each shelf, working from the bottom to the top. Each shelf can hold up to 300 kilograms of weight safely. These shelves are particularly sturdy, corrosion resistant, and adjustable to fit your needs. You can adjust the height of your shelves by screwing the adjustable foot up or down as needed.